Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new video once again, and hopefully all of you are well, and I'm also having a good time by the grace of Almighty Allah. So guys, I'm here in front of you to say something about an interesting topic, and which is really very important for everyone. So guys, here I would like to talk about about our potentiality, right? So we know that we are human being, and our creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us with so much potentiality, but the problem is that we can't use all this potentiality which is rely in our inside. Okay, so I believe that if we can become capable to use our all kinds of potentiality and all kinds of power, then we will become success in our life. But we always think that we try to lead our life in a normal way as usual. Every day we get up early in the morning, or then we start our everyday job, and then we at the night we go to bed, and we sleep a sound sleep. Okay, so all these kinds of things we do every day, and at the same time we can do at the same way. Okay, so this is a problem. But if we study about the person who is success in their life, so we can see that they have an uncommon habit in their life. So if we can do all kinds of things in a different way, in another way, so we can become success, and we can become creative, and we can become productive in our life. So that's why I want to say in this video that we have to become productive. So that's why we have to gather knowledge, and we have to become a knowledgeable person, right? So that's why we should learn a lot of things about our total world, about the environment, about history, about technology, information, about a lot of things. Okay, so we have to cross our limitations of knowledge, and if we can become a knowledgeable person and informative person, then all kinds of things will be easy for us. Okay, so I think that this is very common things for us to be a creative person by knowing or gathering a lot of knowledge. So that's why I think that we have to develop our domain of knowledge, and we have to improve our ideas, and we have to we should know that how to generate questions or how to generate our ideas. So this is the main things. So guys, if we can do all kinds of things properly, then we will be capable to be a successful person in our life, right? So guys, I think that in our future life we all become a successful person, and I hope that you will try for that, and I also try for that, and pray for me always, and I'll pray for you, inshallah. So thanks all of you for watching the full video. Assalamu alaikum.